Hello, good afternoon. Today we're going to be looking at my CNC Raspberry Pi project, and I've made a little model in SolidWorks, so have your cup of tea and we'll go through it. We're having a little look at the rails, which you've seen in my demo when I've been testing the three motors. I've put in an aluminium bed, which I'm just moving there. You can see I'm probably going to make it out of 15mm plywood. The NEMA motor's there, which is going to be positioned at the back as we look at it. The little 5V stepper motor there, which is the one which was connected to the tile cutter, formerly tile cutter, now pair of rails. Yeah, just turning it around. I'm thinking about putting the Raspberry Pi, mounting it on the back. You can see that little hole there, which will be where the cables go through. I've done some research on some other designs that other people have made, and yeah, for a very basic design, I think that's what some others have done. Rendering of it there as well. So yeah, next step will be get some plywood cut. Next, the maths. So I'm going to attempt to write some code from scratch to do lines and to do arcs and circles. And you can see I've looked up how to create the code for a circle, which is based on Pythagoras. So provided the user enters the diameter or the radius of the circle, I'll write the Python code to do the rest, which will be, yeah, going back to the old days of trigonometry and A-level maths and so on. So I'm about to go on holiday, so I'll leave that with you. Have a think about how you would write the code for circles, curves, whatever on the CNC. Ultimately, I'll be reusing somebody else's code. I'll be looking at the Linux CNC distro and so on for Raspberry Pi. I may even end up looking at an Arduino, but we won't go there because this is a Raspberry Pi website or channel. So yeah, have fun. Have a look at what I've done so far, and yeah, I'll see you soon.
Don't forget to subscribe.